Do you wonder if there's only one or two ways to stretch your calves? Did you ever think the way you're doing it could be too aggressive and could possibly lead to future tears or Achilles tendon injuries? Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lin, sports physical therapist at Rehab and Revive. Find out what you need to do safely to not overstretch or lead to further injuries, and maybe you can prevent yourself from a future tear. But first, please spend a few seconds to like our video, subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful in any way, please consider hitting the thanks button and donate in. Also, our team has worked hard to bring online exercise programs to you. You can find the link to our Revive at Home programs below in the description box. We appreciate your support. Did you know the calf is a multi-joint muscle and it has many functions, from flexing your knee to pushing off to helping you stand upright and still for a long time when your knees are straight. It's being used and overused constantly. Sports and micro injuries from ankle sprains and strains and overdoing it can lead to the cascading effects. Being kicked in the calf or having fallen or even bit by a dog, ouch, could really set you up for the muscle getting tight and you wanting to stretch it. When you stretch it, you could be making it worse because micro tears or adhesions have occurred from these injuries or insults. Think of plastic wrap being pulled away and overstretched. What happens when you pull it too far? The main goal of a proper stretch on a true healthy muscle is for muscles to slide and glide like oil in water, something I say to all my patients. So here are some safe steps before you do our favorite off the step stretch or foam rolling or lacrosse ball massaging. Try these first, and here is one. Achilles mobilization. With this, you are freeing a very tight base, which often tethers the top muscle bellies down. Freeing it up will ensure more slack at one end. Praying Mantis. You are working blood flow and lightly increasing shortening and lengthening with this light strengthening exercise and using a PNF antagonist strategy. And then finally, the actual stretch. Spread your toes for intrinsic support and then stretch your calf how you like it. Remember, I said earlier, you want to have the muscles slide and glide past each other like oil and water. Spreading your toes creates proper use in the deep fibers and tendons and allows the more superficial calf muscles to be isolated now. If you want to see a more detailed explanation of the exercises in this video, they are linked below. Check them out. Now you're intentional with your calf stretching. I hope you all found this helpful today. Let us know your thoughts on our video and leave us some love or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate the support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter.